Hi guys, and welcome back to another episode of
Mouthfull! Well, what are we making this week?
I just thought of something.
Oh.
Can you just tell everyone what we're making this week? Go on.
We're making, well, we've got the most gorgeous cocktail. We're making a Berry Vodka Lemonade, which is just going to be absolutely gorgeous. I'm worried about this. Watch this. You love a kazoo.
I just thought that was much more effective than our sound effect, you know what I mean? In the cupboard.
We could do our whole theme tune with kazoos.
Was that it?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, good. But anyway, yeah, we're making like a berry vodka mojito.
Yeah, so like a, well, yeah, all right, that'll do.
Okay, what are you making?
I am going to make a Cheats Summer Trifle.
A trifle?
Yeah, and I'm not making any of the bits. I'm literally just all of it shop bought, put in a glass, bosh.
And the reason we're doing this is because this is what you guys wanted us to make. We asked you on Instagram what recipes you wanted, and these two came up first.
Yep.
So here we go. Let's get stuck in. This is such a great summer drink. Like, it's so easy. And you know I love a mojito. We've made one of those before. I mean, they're so good. But this is a really quick vodka version. Now, we are going to take mint, which is just a beautiful summer herb from my garden.
I don't believe that for a second.
Can I just say, it's not from my garden.
Is your garden called Waitrose?
Listen, there is, that you can see it from over here, right? Chris, stay there, I'm going to point to it. I'm running all over the place today. Look at the size of this. Look at this. That is a huge mint plant over there. So, when I saw that we'd bought it from Waitrose, I was like, wow, what a waste of money.
Back
what a
in the
waste of
real
money.
world.
So, we have got some mint and we are going to put it into our glasses. I'm just going to rip it up. We are going to be muddling.
Muddling, is that the same as meddling, but for Fraggles?
Then we're going to put in the sugar. Now, I've spoken about this before, but cane sugar is the only sugar you should really be using for a mojito style drink. A lot of people, I've been to many bars where they use a white sugar.
No, not acceptable. It has to
sugar
be
syrup.
cane
No.
sugar.
Cane sugar is the best. So we're putting a spoonful of that in. And then here comes some magic.
Now, what kind of berries have we got?
We have got some strawberries, some
Nice,
blueberries,
nice.
and some blackberries.
Raspberries.
And some raspberries, thanks Tom, missed those. And we're just gonna put them in like a little handful.
I thought you were going to say a little hamster.
A little hamster.
Hello, little hamster.
To each glass.
I might be drunk already and I've not actually had any.
And then we're gonna use some vodka.
Nice.
So we're just going to pour whatever my heart desires into this glass.
Oh, Lord.
No, that wasn't too bad.
That wasn't too bad, actually.
Exactly, probably not. Okay, so just do that into each, and then it's time to muddle. Now you need the liquid in there to muddle, otherwise the sugar won't melt.
I'm going to muddle the other one.
Here we go. So just with our professional muddler.
Surely bottle this.
I mean...
Chanel number vodka.
Okay, now, once you've done that, we've done your two. We're going to add some ice. A lot of people use crushed ice when it comes to drinks like this, but we can be bothered to crush it, so we're just using nice. Dawn, you think I'm really funny today, don't you? She keeps...
I'm trying to crush it. Not do a poo. I'll have that one.
We're going to use a lemonade.
Oh, that's like a Sicilian, cloudy Sicilian lemonade.
It is. It's a cloudy Sicilian lemonade.
Hold on just 1 second, because the cloudy bit's at the bottom.
Oh, that would have been a disaster. So we are just topping up the drink with that.
I'm going to get a little spoon for stirrage.
Yes.
Look at how beautiful that is.
Give it a little mix for me, will you, Dom? Thank you. And I'm going to add a sprig of mint on the top. Very impressed your friends would be with this though, because it looks fancy.
And tastes horrible.
No, it does not. Well, we'll soon find out, because now it's time for a mouthful. Right, come and get a mouthful. It's yours. Cheers, cheers, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that
is good.
We like cakes.
that is, see, that is so good.
That's a little lethal. You could just.
It's very sweet as well, isn't it?
Do you think? I think it's like sweet and sour. Yeah, a spoonful. Dom, come back. You've got to make a trifle. Come on. And do you know what? This is going to go perfectly with it.
Absolutely. Time for trifle. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for trifle!
Wow.
Wow.
Do you think a trifle's ever been introduced by Kazoo ever before in the history of trifles?
Doubtful. It's a kazoo trifle.
There we go.
This is a Cheats trifle. It's a summer berry trifle. Yep, to go with our lovely cocktail. And I am literally cheating the hell out of this because life is too short and you just don't want to spend your time kind of making stuff when you can just bung it all into a glass.
Exactly. Does a trifle usually have jelly in it?
It does, yes.
But yours doesn't, I take it, because I can't see any jelly here.
So a trifle has jelly or a jellied fruit of some kind, and so like jam.
We put jam in it?
Yeah.
Okay, now
so we've got
yours. I'm going to prefer yours.
Well, yeah, I have got a jam Victoria sponge, which is gluten-free.
Yes.
And a jam roly-poly, which is not gluten-free.
And earlier, right, we got the roly-poly, and Dom was like, oh, you can't have this one, but don't worry, it doesn't go off to 2028. I was like, I'm not eating that. That survives for 5 years.
I didn't have my glasses on, it's actually 2023.
And Dawn said, I'm going to stock up on them in case we have another pandemic.
Imagine just like rows and rows and rows of jam roly-polies. Oh dear.
Okay, so what are we doing?
We are going to cut the cake.
This is an M&S gluten-free. It's
I
not
mean,
just
this
any
is-
old Victorian
this is
sponge.
good.
It's
And
nice.
Victorian, did you say?
Victorian sponge. Right.
And we're just going to put this into
Okay, who's
the glass.
Victoria?
Queen Victoria. It was
Oh.
made for Queen Victoria.
Who knew? Lying.
This
All
is going to
right.
go into yours, and then we're all going to have jam roly-poly because we're special.
I think it's just better.
Yeah, I do.
Okay, close your eyes. Give me this.
God.
Right, close your eyes. Okay. Right, okay. I want you to tell me which one is gluten-free and which one isn't. Okay? So the first one is going to go into your mouth now.
That's good.
Is that good? Mm-hmm. Tell me when you've finished. Do you want a sip of your cocktail? There we go. The next one, close your eyes, is going in. Now.
That's also very good. The same one.
No. Which one is gluten-free?
I couldn't tell you.
Really?
Genuinely couldn't
That's
tell
good,
you.
isn't it?
Which one? The second one was
Yeah,
gluten-free.
second one.
You know, the
Yeah.
only reason I knew that is because I could tell the shape of the round.
There you go, that shows how good it is.
Trifles are famous for the sponge being soaked in booze.
Ooh.
Yeah, and I've gone for something nice and fruity, a nice Cointreau, which is kind of like an orange liqueur.
What are you putting the lid on, like finger on it
Because
like that?
I don't want to. Oh God, I went all everywhere. Next, we're going in with custard.
I love, bless you.
Bless you.
I love custard.
And I have literally gone for the shop bought custard.
Okay.
Just go for your favourite custard. You can go all fancy. You can go.
Everyone's faces there like,
Whoa,
oh
look
my
at this.
God.
This is
so
very
good.
school. Kind of feels like the kind of thing you would have at school.
Can I wiggle this one round so it goes to the bottom of it?
Then we're going to put in some fresh fruit.
Mm-hmm.
Now I'm using fresh fruit instead of jelly
Okay.
because it's just summery. It's
Yeah.
like much more summery.
I think that's going to be nicer in a way.
Yeah.
Like I like a jelly, but I like a vodka jelly shot.
Right. Whoa.
Oh, do you know we need
Why
to
are
make
we
them?
not making vodka jelly shots with our trifle?
We actually need to make some of them soon because we make them as if they look like mini watermelons, or you can make it in a whole watermelon. This looks great. Okay.
And then we're going to top it off with cream. But I don't want to just like make any old cream. So I've got some whipped double cream here.
Okay, so literally whipped. Why are you putting it in there?
Because I'm going to add some stuff to it to make
Ooh,
it just...
he's fancy.
I am fancy. Well, you
Why are you putting Greek yogurt in?
because it just will take it from really, really, really rich to just slightly more tart.
I love Greek yogurt.
Yeah, and I think it's just a bit more kind of summer friendly.
Right.
Right, and I'm gonna
Can I just
put-
taste this?
Yeah. No? Yes?
Nice. Like-
I'm not sure.
no, it is nice, but I think it's gonna be even nicer because the custard's gonna be really sweet.
Yeah, you don't want this to
Yeah.
be sweet. You could add sugar to this, but
Yeah,
I don't
no, I
think you
don't, I
want
wouldn't.
it. And I mean, you could pipe this on really elegantly, but that's not our style.
It's not us, is it?
How gorgeous is that? Guys, come and get a mouthful of these babies.
Okay,
I'm not waiting
Chris, that's
for you, I'm
yours,
just going
mine.
in,
Oh, Dawn,
sorry.
sorry, you want one? Dawn's literally been running over here like, cool, Dawny, that is a frigging good one.
You need to try and get all the little bits.
Right, hurry up.
Come on then. Get stuck in there. Make it, make it, make it. That is delicious. Thank you so much for watching. We'll be back soon. Wow. I'm like, we'll be back soon.
See you next
See ya.
time.
Bye, guys. Wow, that is so good.